Okay, we're going to move to our final question. It's the last one, number 6, and it's a relatively unique question, but we're going back, unfortunately, to listen to a lecture. Okay?
Okay.
Now, it's integrated, but the difference this time is that we do not read the text. What happens is you listen just to the lecture. So this, for me, is quite similar just to being in a lecture or in a classroom. And what you must do is take notes. Now, the quality of your notes are incredibly important for this because you've got no text to reference from. All right. Same thing as question 5. This time you've only got 20 seconds to prepare and then you have to speak for 1 complete minute. Let me read the question for you and then I'll start the lecture. Question is this. Now listen to part of a lecture taken from an astronomy class. The lecture is regarding the subject of shooting stars. Take notes on the main points of the lecture. Okay, Isabel? This is the last one, number 6. Listen carefully.
A shooting star is another name for a meteoroid that burns up as it passes through the Earth's atmosphere. So actually, a shooting star is not a star at all, nor does it shoot. Most of the shooting stars that we see are known as meteoroids. These are objects as small as a piece of sand, but can be as huge as boulders. If they are smaller than a piece of sand, astronomers call them interplanetary dust. If they're larger than a boulder, astronomers call them asteroids. It's easy to see how the shooting star earned its nickname. We're used to seeing fixed points of light in the night sky, commonly known as stars and planets. What we're not so used to is observing one of these points of light falling out of place or suddenly burning out. When we see a meteor heat up and shoot across the sky, it often looks like a real star dropping out of the sky. A particularly large meteor may keep glowing for several seconds, appearing to shoot across the sky under its own power. Therefore, the idea of a shooting star has become a popular way to describe the phenomenon. While a shooting star may not be an actual star, it's definitely from outer space.
All right, Isabel? You've got 20 seconds now to take some notes or to prepare your answer. Ready? Go. Okay, and can you start speaking now? 1 minute, go.
Shooting star is another word for meteorite, but it's definitely not a star and it doesn't shoot. It's just a name that we give it because it looks like a star if you see it burning down the sky, and it shoots with its own power because it burns. And if it's smaller, if it's a small star, we call it interplanetary dust. But if it's bigger, we call it asteroids. You can see it shooting for several seconds until it burns out. So all we know is that it's definitely no star, but it's from outer space. Yeah.
Okay, so that's 50 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, now this is a common problem, and I'm going to help you a little bit now by adding some extra information, okay? Now, the most important thing from this type of question is the quality of the notes and how much you understand. Now, if you don't understand anything, it's almost impossible to speak for 1 minute, but you've demonstrated that you understood a lot here, and you did speak quite well for the first 50 seconds. Then you run out of things to say. Now what you can do is you can use little phrases to help you out. So you could say, first of all, in this lecture, we hear about blah, blah, blah. So what you're doing there is you're wasting time by using an introduction. Okay?
Yeah.
So then you could use the phrase later on. We could say, so first of all, he explains blah, blah, blah. So first of all, the lecturer, la 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 la. Then you could say, then he moves on to explain blah 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 blah. Yeah? Then you could say, at the end of the lecture, he sums up by saying blah, blah, blah. So I'm not actually explaining what he said in the lecture, and all I'm doing with these phrases is trying to waste time. But if you incorporate these phrases, I think that you would be able to speak for 1 minute without any problems. All right. So these are sort of like time-wasting benefits. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the end of the speaking test. Well done.
Thank you.